start recording. So last class we had discussed, right? So last class we discussed how to create branches and what is pull and what is fetch. And today we'll see that continuation and all. So anyone any doubt yesterday class? So pull is nothing but mostly interview they are asking what is difference between git pull and git fetch. That is very important. What is difference between git pull and git fetch? Git pull means if you want to update local repository as well as working area, we are going to use git pull command. Git fetch means it won't uh, it won't merge anything, just it is updating the reference only. Just it is updating the reference only. It is updating the reference only. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Practically we will see how it will work. So git pull and git fetch. This is very important. So git pull and git fetch. Pull means updating local repository, central to local only. Simply if you want to understand, so this is the pull. So if you want to pull local to central to local, we are using git pull command. So we are using git pull command. Git push means already you know. What is git push? Push means local to
Local
central.
mission to central.
Local to central, that is nothing but push. This is nothing but push command. And so here this is the push command and all. This is the push and all. Now, so already you know this is the central, this is the local. So this is the central workspace. This is the central workspace, and this is the local workspace. This is the central workspace. This is the central workspace, and so this is the local workspace. So this is the local workspace. This is the central, and this is the local workspace. And so mostly you know right, so by default here project name, that is the project. Under project we can see branch name, right? By default this is we can see, and particular branch, so if you want to we can clone from local central to local. If you want to clone from central to local, so we are using git pull git clone, and we can use init command and all same story. So first come to here, this is my repository, right? So this is my repository, and so go to click on user here, and so repositories, this is my repository, this is my existing repository. So generally if you join any organization, if you deployed any project, so in real time no need to use git init and all. Init means so for scratch level, for starting if you want to create empty repository and all, and that case we can use git init and all. And so we are creating something and all, but already code is available central repository. Now try to understand, already code is available central repository. Now I am the new joiner, just assume you are the new joiner. So you are the new joiner, just assume I am the new joiner. Already entire source code available central. How to get this code to local, my local machine? This is the first point. Whatever we discussed, that is scratch level. Everything, if there is nothing in our local, we can create in it and add something and all. So already your project entire source code available central. I am the new joiner. For example, you got one new laptop, and so we need to get this entire source code to your local machine. So how to get it? Now got it? Clear, Sadik?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually, so generally if you join any organization and already project is available central repository, you are the new joiner. They given one laptop or they given one desktop, So first we need to install the Git client software, right? Git software, Git client software, Git client software. Once you installed Git client software, I need this entire code to my local machine. So if you want to get it, so this is the command. Actually, real time mostly we are using this is the command. Git clone, Git clone. See here, Git clone -b branch name and repo URL. So if you repo URL. So generally, if you join any organization, first they will provide username. They will provide username, and also they will give you password also. And you are part of which project they are giving. So you are part of repository URL, repo URL, and they are giving a branch name also. Which branch you have to work? Branch name also. So this information already they will provide. So with the help of this information, now we can get your entire source code to your local machine. That's it. Very simple. I hope you got it right. So they will give this all these informations: username, your password, your which repository you want to work, and what is the branch name and all. Clear? Got it? Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
I have username, I have password, I have repository URL, I have branch name. Now just assume this is my repository. Just assume this is your repository, and how to get this source code to your local machine. Just assume you don't have any source code local machine. You don't have any source code in our local machine. How to get it? Just create anywhere, wherever you want. We can create one directory. Now I am creating one directory here. So just rename it. I am going to create one directory. Just rename it. And so I am using so here. So already we have username, password, repository URL, branch name and all. So entire source code available here. Now just assume so this is your existing code, existing repository. So source code and all available here. How to get this source code to your local machine? So this is very important. See here, we can connect two ways, but real time mostly we are using HTTP or HTTPS. So this is the see here that URL will change. We'll see later. So how to connect via SSH and all. See here, git@github.com. This is my ID and this is the repository URL. If I use HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure way, and HTTPS, this is the github.com. This is my user ID. This is your repository name. And so mostly we are using real time this one or this one. Mostly we are using SSH private key. We don't have any public key. See here in our GitHub account. So if I want to connect via SSH, I need to create one public key, SSH key, secure key. So right now I don't have anything. Anyway, I am connecting a regular processor. HTTPS, copy this URL, and so come to here. Now you are the new joiner. Just assume you are the new joiner. You need to clone your entire project to local machine. So right click, open Git bash, open Git bash, open Git bash, and so here open Git bash, open Git bash, and we need to get this is a command. Mostly we are using this is a command. Git clone -b. -b is nothing but branch name. -b is nothing but branch name. Suppose if we have multiple branches. So if you have multiple branches, and which branch you want to clone, this is the right now I am using master branch and the repository URL. This is my repo URL. See here, I hope you got it right. See here, git clone -b, git clone -b branch name and repository URL. See here, cloning into your entire. Now enter also they are asking. So already I used git clone command. Can I use git clone command multiple times same path?
No.
No, because if you use means already it is showing. See here, destination path already existing and it is not empty directory. Now, can I use git pull command multiple times? So git clone only we are using one time. Git clone and all we are using only one time. Now we know one more command, git pull command. Can I use git pull command multiple times?
Yes.
Yes, sir. There is no issues. Just we are updating local only, right? Git pull command we can use multiple times. And when you go for use git push command, if any changes, if we want to push local to central, that case we are using git push command. Now got it? Git status command already you know. If you want to check the status of your local repository, that case we can use git status command. So now git fetch command, we'll see what is today. We'll complete what is git fetch. It is very very important. What is difference between git pull and fetch? We'll see. Now anyway, I cloned. This is my project. Now see here ls. Now this is my repository directory. Now go to that cd. cd nothing but here change directory. cd is nothing but
సార్
change directory.
సార్ గిట్ క్లోన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ క్లయింట్
సెంట్రల్లో
ఇచ్చిన
ఉన్న
ఏదైనా
కోడ్ని కరెక్ట్. సెంట్రల్లో ఉన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ కోడ్ ఎంటైర్ కోడ్ నీ లోకల్కి వస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే
Git clone. Mostly we are using this time. First time only. Every day no need to
ఓకే
use clone command. Only first time. Now just
ఒక్క
assume you are the new joiner. Already this is the existing project, running project. And we need this source code to your local machine. Just assume this is your local machine. Correct? This is your local machine. Now, if you want to get that entire source code to in our local machine, if you want to workspace, okay, this is the working area. This is the working area, right? Working area, and this is the staging area. This is the staging area or index area. Someone is calling index area or staging area. This is the local repo. This is your local repo. Local also repo. Now, if you want to get already code is available here. You are the new joiner. You have this information. Okay. So if you want to get this source code to local machine, what is the command? This is the command git clone -b branch name, and so this is the repository URL. Suppose if you are not mentioning anything here, by default it is coming master branch only. Just remember, suppose you are not mentioning anything. Suppose I forgot to miss git clone and so http I given this. Which branch it will come by default? Suppose if you forgot to mention branch name, which branch code it will come? ఏ బ్రాంచ్ కోడ్ వస్తుంది మీకు సెంట్రల్ నుంచి? బై డిఫాల్ట్
మాస్టర్
మాస్టర్ ఓన్లీ. బ్లైండ్లీ రిమెంబర్, డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్పెసిఫిక్ బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ -b branch name. Suppose if you are not mentioning anything, by default it is coming master only. By default it is coming master only. But 90% in real time we are not work with master. I will explain later these branches and all. So this is very very important question also. Which branching strategy we are following? Interview. Most of the people they are asking. Which branching strategy we are following? So if anyone is asking which branching strategy we are following. This is the master branch. Master is nothing but this is the production branch, guys. Main branch. Which one? Okay. Next development branch. Next test branch. Next feature branch. Next feature branch. Next stage branch. Next hotfix branch. Bug fix. We are creating like this. These are the branching strategy. This is depends on project. This is depends on project. Okay. So mostly master branch, development branch, tester branch, feature branch, stage branch, hotfix branch, and also release branch also we are maintaining. Release. My project we are maintaining release branch also. So at least you remember five. At least you remember five. So if anyone is asking which branching strategy we are following, what are the branches we are following? So master, this is the main branch. This is the main branch. Next development purpose, development branch. For testing purpose, test branch. Under test, we are maintaining many testing also. We'll see later. Okay. So we'll see later also. Next, this is the feature branch. This is the stage branch. This is the hot fix. This is the bug fix. This is the release branch. I hope now we got. Just remember anyway. I'm going to explain later also, no problem. These are the branching strategies. Now, so here project, here branch name. Which branch here? Observe here. What is my branch name here right now? Here. Now got it. Branch only. So what is the branch name we are seeing? Master only. So in real time here, if you click on here, we can see multiple branches here. Here we can see multiple branches. Here we can see multiple branches. Here we can see multiple branches. Okay. So just that is the master. Now, so coming to here, now I'm coming to here. This is my code, right? This is my CD space NOV November. Why this is not gone? Mm, mm, mm. That is that key. Okay, I forgot that key. Okay, leave it. Now see here, ls. Now see here, I am pointing to which branch? Master only. I am pointing to which branch? Master only. Okay. Now see here, ls. We can see what are the files and all. We can display it. So ls means it will display all files and directories. Ls means all files and directories. Now, so pull. Now clone already done, right? Now I am using pull. Now if I use pull, what is happening? Git pull command. What is happening? If any changes in central repository, that changes it will update in our local. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so now we can use multiple times. Now see here, already up to date. What is this meaning? My local repository code, my central repository code, both are syncing. Now what is this meaning? Up to date means this is the local, right? So this is the local. Now this code and so this code, this local code and this central code, both are same only. There is no changes. Syncing, both are syncing. See here, up to date. There is no changes happening. No changes happening. Now can you use multiple times git pull command? Yes, sir. We can use anytime. That is your wish. And real time, make sure that before modifying anything in our local machine, make sure that we have to execute git pull command. Very important. మీరు లోకల్లో ఏదైనా modify చేయాలంటే before modifying anything in our local machine, so which command you have to execute? ఏ command you say first?
Full command.
Why you need to use full command?
We need to update the repository and set repository local.
Local repository and central repository. Otherwise, if you modified anything, we are getting git conflict. ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి git conflict అనేది వస్తుంది. We will see later what is the git conflict, and this is also very important interrupt purpose. Conflict. We are getting git conflict. Git conflict. We will get a git conflict. Okay. So before modifying, if you want to modify anything in our local repository, so we need to use git pull command. Anytime we can use git pull command. Okay. Now see here. So directly I come to point. Now I am coming to this is a central, right? Now directly I am creating, I am modifying one t.txt. Here already we have something, right? I am going to edit. Now just I given some content. Generally I am updating central repository. Generally I am updating directly central repository, but real time we are not going to update central. Okay. Commit changes. Here commit is very different. Simple. See, commit changes. That's it. Now this is right. Commit is done or not? File. Go to here. Already we can see, right? Okay. Now can you see these changes in our local machine?
No.
No. So because see here cat space t.txt. T.txt. We can't see anything. Now if you want to update local, what is the command? Git
Get
Git
full.
pull.
pull command. I hope everyone clear. Now see here, it is updated. One file changed, 3 instructions. Now check it. Cat space t.txt. So I hope everyone clear. Now I am going to fetch command. Fetch command. Now observe here, very simple. Fetch. Fetch means directly it won't merge anything in our local machine. Just it is giving references only. It is giving some intimation. Hey, you did some changes is happening. That only it will give. Again, I am updating same command. Edit command. Edit command. And so updated Okay, second time updated, second time commit changes. Now see here, I did some changes. Now I am not going to use any pull command. Now I am using git fetch command. Now observe here, git space fetch fetch. Now earlier it is showing one file modified, some generation is done, right? Now it is showing here, see. So unpacking objects and all, and this is the repository, and this is the commit ID. Some happening, some changes is happening, that's it. Now if you see here, that update and all we cannot see here. See here, can you update that line here? No, right? Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay. Now see here, git remote 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 git remote hyphen v or hyphen r remote repositories only. I want, what is this? Git branch hyphen r remote repositories. Now see here, git branch hyphen r. I want to see only remote. Suppose if you want to see all, what is the command? All last class we discussed, git branch hyphen a. Now this is the which repository? This branch is pointing to local. These two are related to central. Now I am in local, right? Yes or no? Now let's move on to remote. Copy this one. And if you want to switch the branch, what is the command, guys? If you want to switch the branch, last class we discussed, right? Git checkout hyphen say space branch name. This is a local or remote?
Remote.
Remote. What happened? Now see here. Now see here. I changed earlier. I am in master branch. Now see here. I am in which branch? Remote branch. I am in which branch? Remote branch. Now check it here. Cat space t.txt. Can you see this line here? What is the meaning? In sorry, in remote branch I have data. In local branch it is merged or not? Not merged. Correct?
Yes.
Now just if you use fetch command, just it is showing a reference only. It won't merge anything. It won't merge anything. Okay. Now git. Now first come to your master. Git checkout. Git checkout master. Git checkout master. Now I am coming to my local branch. Now we need to use, this is a command, git merge, and so which branch, what is my branch name here? This is my branch name, right? Remote branch. Copy this one and paste it. Now see here, one file changed to insertions. Now check it, cat space t.txt. Now file data is updated or not?
Yes.
Now what is the difference between git push and git pull and git fetch? Git pull and fetch. So if you see this image, we can easily understand. This is the whole story. Just try to understand. If you see here, if you use git pull command, it is updating local repository as well as it is merge code into local repository. This is the workspace also. If you use git fetch means it won't merge any code in our local. If you want to merge, again we have to use this command. So go to your local branch, and so what is the command? Git merge and remote branch name. Git merge and remote branch name. Anyone any doubt, guys, here? I hope clear, right?
Yes.
So now let me create a branches and all. Now how to create branch? What is the command? Git branch and branch name. Now observe here. So this is my master branch. Now how to create branches and all? So this is my, now this is my master branch. So here I have some code. Just assume this is my master branch. So this is my master branch. This is my master. master branch. And if you go here, so this is the, I'm going to create one more branch. Now this is the master, right? From master branch, I'm going to create one more branch. So this is the master, and I'm going to create one branch. For example, just assume this is the test branch. I'm going to create which branch? Test branch or feature branch, anything, or development branch. So real time also we are creating same only. Now see here, just assume this is the test branch. Now if we create any branch, this is the source, guys. Here, which is the source? This is the source. From master, I am creating, this is the destination branch. Which branch you want to create? So this is the source. From master, I am creating one branch. Now if we create any branch from source branch, whatever content, whatever source code available here, automatically this entire it will also coming to this new branch also. For example, here I have, now observe here, how many files we have? Now how many files we have? See here, total 5. Now in master, so total how many files we have? 5 files. How many files we have? 5 files. Now if we create any new branch, now if I create a test branch. Now whatever content available this branch, everything it will come to new branch also. Now here also we can see 5 files like inheritance, inherit. Now observe here. So this is the master branch. Now I'm creating one branch, git branch and branch name, test branch. Now branch is created. Now check it, git -r. So now see here, not r, -a, all. Now see here, master branch, test branch, and these are the remote. Now how to switch this branch? What is the command, guys?
Git checkout.
Git checkout and branch name and test branch. Now see here, I am in which branch? Test branch. Now how many files we can see here based on this one? So I created this branch from master only. Whatever data, whatever source force, whatever files available in master, everything it will come to here also. Now got it? Now tell me how many files we can see here also? Only we can see files or no files? అంటే మీనింగ్ ఇక్కడ మాస్టర్ లో ఏ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటుందో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ టు టెస్ట్ ఆల్సో. నౌ చెక్ ఇట్, క్లియర్? You understand or not? So this is the rules. So if we create, this is my source branch. From source, I created one new branch, test branch. Whatever data available, what are the classes, what are the source code available here, everything it will inherit from so new branch also. ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుందో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే వస్తుంది. దర్ ఇస్ నో డౌట్. క్లియర్?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మాస్టర్ బ్రాంచ్ లో 5 ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్ ఆల్రెడీ.
5 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసాయి.
అవును సార్, నేను ఇప్పుడు కొత్త బ్రాంచ్ తీసుకుంటా సార్, అవి ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తాయి సార్.
ఎక్కడ దేని నుంచి చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో బ్రాంచ్ దీని నుండి క్రియేట్ చేస్తావా, దీని నుండి క్రియేట్ చేస్తావా?
మాస్టర్ బ్రాంచ్ నుంచి సార్.
ఆటోమేటిక్ అన్ని వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ బ్రాంచ్, నౌ సీ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ బ్రాంచ్, గేట్ చెక్అవుట్ master. Now first come to which branch you want. Now I mean master. Clear? So if you observe here, we have 5 files. How to create new branch? Git
బ్రాంచ్
checkout -b. We can use this one also. For example, I am giving a development. Okay, or dev branch. Now see here, I am switched to that particular branch also. Now check it, ls coming or not? అన్నీ వచ్చినాయా లేదా?
వచ్చాయి సార్.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో అంటే నీకు సోర్స్లో ఏ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటుందో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమ్ టు డెస్టినేషన్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆల్సో. Now this is the local only. Can you see this branch name in central? Observe here. Can you see that branch name here? No, right? Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
So now how to push this branch to central? We need to use git push command. Git push command. Git push origin dev. Now see here, new branch created dev. Now come to here, just refresh it. Now earlier we can see only one branch. Now we can see how many branches. Now if we observe here, we can see one more branch also. Now got it.
ఎస్ సార్.
So here test also one branch is there. I want to push that also. First go to that branch, git checkout, git checkout, git checkout, git checkout. Which branch you want to move? Test.
Test.
Now if you want to push this, right now it is in local only. Git branch hyphen r hyphen a. It is in local only. Now if you want to move, see now dev is central also available. Got it? Now it is in only local. It is not available in central. Now push this one. Get push, get push origin, and so you can use we can use hyphen u also. That is not mandatory. If you want to, we can use test also. Now see here. Now see here, new branch created test. Now go to here, just refresh it. Now we can see one more branch. If you select test branch, see here in test also we can see same data. In test also we can see same data. If you select dev, in dev also we can see same data. I hope you got it right. Now anyone any doubt here? How to create branches and all? Very simple only. How to create you know that commands and all. So what are those commands? Git branch name. If you want to see all, git branch hyphen a all branches. If you want to see only remote branches, branch hyphen r only remote branches. If you want to switch the branch, git switch also we can use it. Switch branch name, or else we can use git checkout branch name also. Anyone any doubt guys here? Clear? Git checkout and hyphen b branch name. Here missed branch checkout we can use. If you want to, we can use this command also directly use. Git check checkout hyphen b, and we can use branch name also. We can use anyone branch name. Both are same only. We can use anyone. Clear? What? Karthik, clear? Shiva, anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, this is very very important. Now you know how to create branches and how to push branches, and so here main point is very very important. We have to remember what is difference between git pull and git fetch. Git pull means if you want to update local repository from central, that case we can use for git pull command. Git fetch means if you use git fetch means it won't merge anything in our local, just it is showing references. Only it will show some changes happening in our central. Just it is showing. If you want to merge, we can go to first go and check your remote repository, and so first switch to local repository, and we can use git merge that branch name. That's it. Anyone, any doubt? So these are these are the same basic commands only. Now come to here. Now go to here. Already everything already here given. Git browse and all, git push branch, git add status and all same. Git merge. So now we need to use git merge command. This is very important. I will show you next class. Git checkout master merge and all. Mm, mm, mm. Next class I will show you git merge and rebase, very important. I hope now you understand, right? What is git pull and git fetch? Anyone, any doubt? This is very important command. Git pull and git fetch. What is difference between git pull and git fetch? Anyone, any doubt? If you have doubt, so I will explain one more time, or else let's move on to another command. This is very different, very important. What is difference between git? 99% people are asking this one only. Git pull and git fetch command. Anyone, any doubt, guys, here?
No doubts.
Okay.
సార్
Now
గిట్ స్విచ్ గిట్ చెక్అవుట్ రెండు బ్రాంచ్ చేంజ్ చేసేకే కదా సార్?
git checkout to -b అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యి ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆ బ్రాంచ్ కి స్విచ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ గిట్ స్విచ్ అవుట్ బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ ఇస్తే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆ బ్రాంచ్ కి స్విచ్ అవుతుంది. నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. నౌ ఐ మీన్ టెస్ట్ బ్రాంచ్. ఓకే. నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ యూజ్ దిస్ కమాండ్ git checkout -b, I am giving a branch name. So for example, I given feature branch. What is this meaning? It will create one branch. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఒక బ్రాంచ్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. ఏ నేమ్ తో? ఫీచర్ తో. అండ్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ కనెక్ట్ టు దట్ బ్రాంచ్. See here. Now got it?
అది అర్థమైంది సార్. గిట్ స్విచ్ సార్.
గిట్ స్విచ్ అనేది ఓన్లీ గిట్ స్విచ్. నేను ఈ బ్రాంచ్ కి స్విచ్ అవ్వాలి, చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి. స్విచ్ ఏ బ్రాంచ్ స్విచ్ అవ్వాలి? టెస్ట్ బ్రాంచ్. నవ్ గాట్ ఇట్.
ఓకే.
ఓన్లీ స్విచ్ అవ్వడానికి అంటే జంప్ అవ్వడానికి. వెదర్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్
ఓకే.
స్విచ్ కమాండ్ ఆర్ చెక్అవుట్ కమాండ్, బోత్. ఆర్ ఆల్సో
ఓకే.
వీ కెన్ యూజ్ చెక్అవుట్ ఆల్సో. గిట్ చెక్అవుట్, గిట్ చెక్అవుట్,
బ్రాంచ్
git checkout, git checkout branch name.
మాస్.
For example, feature branch, or for example, master branch, whatever you want. Now see here, I switch it to, both are same only. But if you
ఓకే.
give
ఓకే.
hyphen b means it is creating one new
క్రియేట్
branch,
న్యూ బ్రాంచ్.
and also switch to automatically that branch. రెండు
ఓకే.
పనులు అట్ టైం అయిపోతాయి.
ఓకే.
Okay, that is the main difference between git switch and git checkout. Now observe here. Now you know how to create branches and all. Now very important. Next class I will show you what is git merge and rebase, very important. Now there is no time, only 20 minutes, right? I will give one more scenario. I don't want new, don't change. Now already you know. So this is the, so if you go here, this is the central and this is the local. This is the local. Now here how many areas? You know, right? 3 areas. What are those? Working area, index area, working area, index area. This is the local repository. Got it? Now you created one file. Now you created one file. This is the local. This is the central. This is the central workspace. This is the central workspace. And this is the local workspace. This is the local workspace. Now this is the working area or untracked files. Untracked files. This is the index area. This is the local repository. Now I created one repository. I created one file. See here. Now I am in master branch, or let me switch to test branch. Git swit say switch test branch. Now here I have some files. Now I'm going to create one file. So touch space test space test.txt. Where is this file, guys? Which area? ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది present? Which area? Local. This is working area or index area or local repository?
Untracked files right now.
Untracked file. I hope everyone know. See, red means untracked file. Now there is a one command. So if you want to remove that one, so this is a command. Git clean -f if you want to remove new files from the working area. So git clean -f. So I created one file, right? This is a newly created file. ls. This is a newly created file. And if you see here, git status also, this is the untracked area. This is the untracked files. Now I want to remove this file. What is the command? Git clean -f. Now I used git clean -f. See here, file removing test.txt. Now check the status. Git status. Can you see that file here? No, right? Now check ls also. Now got it.
Yes, sir.
Let me create one more. Touch space. For example, so test t1.txt and t2, multiple files also we can create. Two files I created, ls. Now see here, two files created. Now these two files, which area? It is in untracked files only. These two files available working area. Git status. Now you can see two files, t1.txt and t2.txt. t2.txt. Now see here I am using git clean -f. Now got it? What you understand? If any newly created files, if you want to remove those files, so we can use git clean -f. It will remove files from working area. Which area it will remove? See here, if you want to remove any newly created files from working area, so that case we can go for git clean -f. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one more scenario. Now ls vi, I am editing some file, for example jenkins.txt file. Insert, I am updating file. This is a newly created file or update already existing file?
Already
It's
existing.
it.
Existing file. See here, updated jenkins, just I given some content, escape :x. Now where is this file? Git, where is this file? Which area? Red means untracked files only, working area only. Don't confuse. This is the working area. Now I am using, now clear guys here. So I didn't create any new file. Existing file I modified. What I did? Existing file I modified. Now we used git clean -f. Now see here. Now check the status. Git status. Is it removed or not?
Not removed.
Not removed. Now clean work only newly created file, not existing files, not modified files. Now got it? మీరు ఏదైనా న్యూలీ ఒక ఫైల్ని క్రియేట్ చేసినా 100 ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినా, సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రిమూవ్ ఆల్ ఫైల్స్, దట్ కేస్ ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ గిట్ క్లీన్ -f. సో మాడిఫైడ్ ఫైల్స్, మాడిఫైడ్ అంటే దిస్ ఫైల్ ఆల్రెడీ అవైలబుల్, I modified, we cannot remove it with the help of git clean command. With the help of git clean command. I hope you got it right. Clear, Sadik? What, Karthik? Right, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so just only newly created files only it will remove. It won't remove any modified files. It won't remove any modified files. So now one more command. Git reset file name to untrack the tracked files. Revert back to working area from the staging area. Now see here. Now where is this file, guys? It is in working area. Now I am using git add dot. Now git status. Now where is this file? Here, index area, correct? I used git add, right? Git add means now the file move to index area. Now if you see here, git status. Now this is the index area. Now I want to move back this file to working area. I don't want this file here. Again I want to move this file to working area. Again I want to move this file to working area. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఏ ఫైల్? ఇక్కడ jenkins.txt ఫైల్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. jenkins.txt ఫైల్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఈ ఫైల్ మళ్ళీ నేను ఎక్కడ మూవ్ చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ మూవ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడ మూవ్ చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ మూవ్ చేయాలి, వర్కింగ్ ఏరియాకి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? git. This is the command. So git reset file name. Git reset file name. Git reset file name. Git reset file name. File name. Now observe here. Now it is in here, right? It is in here. Now git reset. What is the file name? jenkins.txt. Now see here, unstaged changes after reset jenkins.txt file. Now check the status. Now got it. Anyone any doubt here? Clear? ఎక్కడ నుండి ఎక్కడ మూవ్ అయింది ఫైల్? ఇండెక్స్ ఏరియా నుంచి వర్కింగ్ ఏరియాకి అన్ట్రాక్డ్ ఫైల్స్కి అగైన్ మూవ్ చేశాను. ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్, రైట్? ఎనీవన్ ఎనీ డౌట్
Yes,
హియర్?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, these are the very simple interval also. So they asked one or two times what is git reset command. So what is the git reset? Git clean means if you want to remove any newly created files. If you want to remove any newly created files, and that case you should go for git clean command. Suppose if you want to move files from which area? Index area to working area, git reset file name. What is the command? Git reset file name. Clear?
సార్
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు జెన్కిన్స్ ఫైల్లో మనం డేటా యాడ్ చేసాం సార్.
అవును, ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నావు, కరెక్ట్.
ఆ, మళ్ళీ మనం ఫస్ట్ నుంచి గిట్ యాడ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ గిట్ కమిట్ మైనస్ ఏ యూజ్ చేయాలా సార్?
ఖచ్చితంగా. సి ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎక్కడుంది? ఫైల్ ఎక్కడుంది? గిట్ స్టేటస్ ఎక్కడుంది ఫైల్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుతానికి?
అన్ట్రాక్డ్ ఫైల్స్.
గిట్ యాడ్. ఓకే, నా ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడుంది ఫైల్? స్టేజింగ్ ఏరియా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? గిట్ కమిట్
గిట్ కట్ మైనస్ ఏ.
updated file, whatever you want updated. This is the message, whatever you want you can give it. Okay, now it is ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఫైల్? గిట్ స్టేటస్
వర్కింగ్.
లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ కమిట్ ఇచ్చేసాను కదా.
అవునవును
సో ఇక్కడ కమిట్ ఇచ్చేసాను కాబట్టి గిట్
లోకల్
కమిట్ -m అండ్ ఇట్ ఇచ్చేసాను కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు లోకల్లో ఉంది నా ఫైల్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెంటర్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే
గిట్ పుష్.
లాస్ట్ కమాండ్ git push and origin. And what is the branch name? Which branch you want to move? Which branch?
టెస్ట్.
This is mandatory. Now see here. Now it is pushed to. Now go to here, central repository, and go to here. I am in test branch. Go to test branch and go to Jenkins and see here whatever you modified. So it is, we can see here. Now got it. Cat space Jenkins.txt. Now see here. See, same thing we can see here also. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
So these are the some basic commands. Okay. So anyone any doubt as of now? Next class very important. So very important. What is git merge? What is git merge? And what is git rebase command? Rebase. Very important. Okay. Enter also. So most of the people asking this question. What is difference between git merge and git rebase? Git merge and git rebase. Okay. So next class I will explain. So these two commands. Enter mostly they are asking what is difference between and git pull and git fetch, and what is difference between git merge and git rebase. Git merge and git rebase. This is also very important question. Enter. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt as of now?
Nothing.
Okay, so